a scene for you guys. And then our bunk buddies, who are generally the ones in the camp that we like to use to do our dirty work. Me and Steve can't be bothered with plunging toilets and such. So we're getting ready for camp, and every time we come across a situation where we don't want to do that work, we're going to call for our bunk buddies to help us out. And then that's going to be the scene. It's going to be fun.
Yeah!
Awesome. Okay, cool. First, we will... Are we starting in the theater room? Okay. Okay, the scene is starting in 3, 2, 1! That was a really good job. I think that scene that you did earlier...
With the beard?
With the beard.
That was hard to pull off.
Was really great. It was hard to pull off. But listen, we gotta get these props all cleaned up, because last year, little Bobby spewed all over the wigs.
Oh, yeah.
They're just like...
And he was scared of the Tyrannosaurus Rex prop.
Yeah, the Tyrannosaurus Rex prop was like really big and clumsy and hard to carry around.
Fucking huge.
Yeah, we gotta put that guy up in the attic, but...
I know. But what do you think?
I don't really want to do it.
Me neither.
Nah, I think we should get our bunk buddies.
Bunk buddies!
Jeez! Carry that too. Help me up, man. Oh, thanks. Oof. I was not, expecting that to happen.
No, I was like the whole Tyrannosaurus Rex thing. It's like, if you're happy, you know it, right?
Yeah, should have been happier.
Yeah.
Gosh, that's okay. Well, the attic is all ready for storage.
We got those boxes to bring up from downstairs.
Yeah.
With the what, lead?
Yeah,
the lead
it's
bricks?
just full of lead. Lead bricks up to the attic.
What do you think?
I think that's great, but I heard that there was like some raccoons up there.
Raccoons,
Yeah,
they're
they might
attracted
have
to lead.
rabies.
Rabid lab raccoons. They get rabies from lead.
Yeah, I think that they'll like hide really low and scurry and make noise and then just jump at you. That's what I've heard.
So I don't want to have anything to do
I don't
with
want nothing to do with that.
it. What do you think?
I think we should get our bunk buddies and
Bunk
buddies! Super happy that they took care of that.
I'm so glad we didn't have to. Yeah.
Man, that's a relief. That's a relief.
Where did they get that lead from anyway? Pencils, like?
Yeah, we shaved all the pencils last year.
That's
yeah,
right.
all the wood off of them.
Did you use shaving cream or like that nice oil?
We just right with a knife.
Knife.
That's right with a knife, right off of there. But yeah, dude, did you hear about that like UFO sighting the other day?
I heard something out in the forest.
I don't know. I know it's weird. There's been some weird sightings, and I think that there might have been some creepy crashing down off to the left side of the lake, South Shore.
Somebody's got to not only clear the wood, but find out what's going on down there.
Yeah, I hope they don't get abducted.
I hope they don't get probed.
Because we're gonna get our bunk buddies.
Okay.
Bunk buddies.
On this side is 10 points, this side is 0 points. We're going to start at 0, clap for where you think this should go.
I think they look hungry. The audience looks hungry.
Yeah, you think
the
so?
audience looks hungry. I think you guys look hungry. the sunscreen, bro.
What great sportsmanship. That was really beautiful. Okay, audience. Applause if you're ready. Here we go. Clap for it. Ready? 8 points. Really well played. 10 out of 10. Great sportsmanship. Really well done, Campbell. Really well done. You're definitely my favorite. All right. Sophia was like, yeah.
We were on the same page.
You got it. You got
We're
it.
going with PLPR.
Awesome.
We'll let you host that.
What's that?
You host
Oh, you got it. You got it. Are all four of you playing?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. All right, audience, you're in for a real dang treat. This is a classic and it's always fun. Oh my God, that's exactly, yep, that's gonna happen more during this game. Okay, at any point during the game I can call shift left. And the players will rotate like that. You got it.
Oh,
Yep, this is smooth and easy. Or I can call shift
I got
right.
this.
You got it.
But she's good looking.
And, so we need a suggestion for this first scene. Where does the scene take place? Where are we?
Psychic reading.
Yeah, psychic reading! Woo! Yes, okay, shift left. And this scene takes place between two characters that already know each other. How do they know each other?
Soulmates.
They're soulmates. Shift left. Oh my God, I knew you before I knew you. I can see color better. I have. All right, and this scene takes place in another time period, like the Renaissance, or when does this scene take place?
The far future.
The far future. Great, shift left. And this scene starts with a line of dialogue. So one of the characters will be saying something. What will they say?
Who designed your pastries?
Who designed your pastry? So cute, Michaels. Okay, shift right. Remind us your suggestions.
Far future.
Shift right.
Soulmates.
Shift right.
Psychic reading.
Shift right. This scene starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
It's who designed your pastries?
Calvin Klein.
Shift left.
Okay, you've come to the right place. I can help you with your problem.
I need a man right now. Just tell me.
I can find one for you.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
We're always finishing each other's.
Stop.
Stop! Oh
Your
wow.
hair is so
Red! Yeah!
Shift left.
I smell the fresh air. It smells metallic. It's making me sick. I'm telling you, you're too much of a city robot. You need to get out and experience life.
How do I get out of this city?
Shift right.
You've been married for
17 minutes!
Do not panic. Do not panic. The most important thing about finding a man is to be intellectual. Can you do that?
I can be smart and stuff.
Oh, I think we need to start again.
Okay. Tell me about the future.
I don't want to be judgmental here, but but I feel like I've been working at this establishment far longer than you, and I have pole merit.
So tell me about the far future. Are there robots?
You are going to find your love of your life in the far future.
It's a little doggy! Yeah,
Doggy!
I knew it!
What are we doing?
Stormy! Your pole maneuvers are off the charts.
I told you. All I needed was a jar of Vaseline and sparkles, and I was gonna crush!
Maybe I should look into your boobs of the future. You know, I was thinking we should spice up our bedroom life, huh?
We should start using a
Vaginal ultrasound for our baby!
To the other team that they're totally unprepared for. I'm nervous laughter. Great. So each team, I'm going to give you a minute to do that while I say something. Shauna?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Shauna has been teaching a stand-up comedy class because she fucking rocks. She's incredible. Incredible stand-up comedian. You fucking killed it. I wrote a set. I took your class. I'm so excited to perform. And we are going to do a stand-up showcase this coming Friday the 23rd at the Four Cats on Monterey in SLO. So you can check out that event. The tickets are selling really quickly, and it's just one night only. It's a stand-up showcase. You'll see 15 different comedians, including the delightful and genius Shauna herself. You can also see Nikki on score. Shane is performing. Sass is performing. Ryan, how you doing, buddy? Did you want to say anything into that or just lick it? You need another beer, bud? I have an open tab.
You have an open tab?
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back.
It's in the front bar. Okay. All right. Nikki, where are we at on score?
All right, in third place we have the Hillbilly Mermaids. In second place we have Awanapee. Major upset we have the Baby.
I can't be mad.
I know, right?
I feel like you have a gymnast on your hands because just now when you held the baby up, there was like, it was like in the posture. Like, stick it the face is also, the baby is real fixated on something right now. Real fixated. Okay. All right, Mermaids, you get to throw your challenge first.
All right, we're gonna challenge them with a game called Siren Sound. It is a game. Do a scene in 60 seconds, then 30 seconds, then 10 seconds, but you must sing the whole thing. There it is. Wow.
I shouldn't have said Ryan to the bar.
They can challenge us. We'll go first.
Fuck
We're
yeah,
not
yeah!
We're not scared.
That's the spirit. Alright, I'm gonna send our music to the bar so you guys know the challenge to them. Alright, you guys are gonna play New Choice. We're water guns.
That's familiar.
I know. You guys go?
Okay, you got it. Oh, so actually, well, the fun part about this challenge is that we're gonna kind of join
Hey
you a
Beth,
little bit.
before you go too much further, I just want to say, like, I thought that was really generous of you, and I want to give the Mermaids 2 points.
Woo! Yeah. gonna get played is you guys are gonna act on a scene, and then either me or one of my partners is going to new choice the two in the middle by squirting you with a little squirty.
No.
Just two. Yeah, just two. You guys, so great. All right. I'll go to this side. This, I feel like this is like deja vu.
So-
This just happened.
So when we do new choice, that's how we'll know.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll say new choice to you. How does that sound? New choice. New choice. New choice. There. Cool. This is a great idea. Let's get a suggestion from the audience really quick of a non-geographical location, just a spot. What's your favorite place? That like hiking or coffee or. I'm really good at this.
Like Starbucks or
Starbucks, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we heard a whisper of a Starbucks. In the
Yes.
But they don't want anyone to know.
Yes.
Starbucks.
Game
A game store. Okay, cool. So we take you to this game store where these two lovely characters are discussing something gaming. All right, go.
Yeah, team.
God, have you heard about the new Call of Duty Double Ops Triple Try? New choice. Did you hear about the new thing that kids are playing?
New choice.
Did you hear about the cup on a string thing?
This addiction of yours is just too much. We can't do any more cup on the string Mario.
But it's all the rage with the kids, the 100-year-old kids.
Dear, you're not a kid anymore. You dragged me to this.
New choice.
You dragged me to this brothel. You want to play kiddie games? You're 65 years old. It's time.
I've been playing games with my thumbs. Now I want to play games with your heart.
New choice.
I've been playing games with my thumbs. Now I want to play games with your hair. I've been playing games with my thumbs, and now I want to use my toes. I've been playing games with my thumbs, and now they hurt.
That's what I've been telling you. These thumb games are too much. You need to rest. You need to breathe.
New choice.
You need to hyperventilate. You need to take off from Mars. That's exciting. Come back to me, Harley. I love it. 65, you still get me going.
I remember when we first played Pong together. New choice. I remember when we first played Pac-Man together. New choice. I remember when you got my face so wet last time.
I don't remember that.
It must have been by the ocean.
Yes, you have a lot of memories where I wasn't there.
That's right. That's Peggy from the brothel. Oh, right. That's Danica from the car shop. Good choice. That's Theseus from the Roman theater.
I like Theseus.
Yes.
Theseus had that dramatic flair
Oh,
that
yes.
you don't have.
Well, you know how much I love hot thespian action.
Nice job, guys.
Very well played. Very well played. Nikki, this is a challenge round. What would you grant the Hillbilly Mermaids? 1 to 10.
I would grant them an 8. I'd also like to give this team a few points for helping run and host that. You decide that one.
2 points. Well done.
Nice job.
Anytime you're excited, that's probably an automatic 2. That's pretty great. Okay. He's left. He has left the building. He's left the building. Joshy, would you be willing to run downstairs and grab Brian Boyd?
Oh yeah.
Okay. We're gonna play. We're actually gonna play.
Got him.
Siren song, buddy. And we have challenged our people over here. They're going to be playing 60, 30, 10.
Come on.
And they will be having to do the whole thing in song. There can be no talking. All right? So let's get for them a location to start off. Where are these people?
In a cave.
They're in a cave. I love it. With a lot of echoing. Right? Yeah. There's so much echo. They're in a cave. Yeah, with an echo. All right. Do we have a timer over here? No? Timer? You have a timer, Nikki?
Yeah.
60.
Put 60 seconds on the clock.
All right.
And when you're ready, you say sing.
Okay.
Crush it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Begin.
So dark.
It's so dark.
Dark as night.
Dark as night.
It's so dark. Oh, I can't see the hand in my face.
Oh, mommy, I got to pee.
I told you to go before we leave.
You should have never joined that camp.
Wanna pee.
Now I have to stop this cave caravan, just to let you off so you can pee.
Thank you, mommy. Mommy.
I can't take you kids anywhere.
You never take us anywhere anyway.
Except for this cave.
That's right. All right, guys.
Where's
All right. Very nice adventure. Now let's see it again in 30 seconds.
All right. Begin.
Oh, I'm so dark. I can't see the hand on my face.
Running your
Mom, I
face.
gotta pee.
You always have to pee.
I should have joined that camp.
Wanna pee. Wanna pee.
To this cave, I'm gonna probably drop you and leave.
You never take us anywhere.
No way.
Time.
Yeah. That was beautiful. I would buy that soundtrack. Let's see it again in 10 seconds.
Game that got tossed at this team, what would you give them 1 out of 10?
Well, I'm glad I brought the keyboard. Why get to give out the points? You guys got any money?
You're the best keyboardist we've ever heard. This whole team is awesome.
I think I will give them. I'll get them halfway there, and the audience have taken the rest. So I'm going to give them 5, and then the audience gives them. How much you want to give them? You guys done this before?
I have more snaps. 5, 10.
27.
Way to go, Ryan!
That 27
Was that the baby?
goes to the baby. And for you remarkable singers, I'm going to go ahead and give you a 9.5. We're never perfect.
Well done. All right, this next game is a surprise head-to-head game. These teams don't know this game is coming. I need 2 members from each team to come up. We're going to play a game of I Object. 2 members from each team, come on up.
You guys got this, yeah, team.
Awesome. And Nikki, while we're doing end of 3 minutes, during this game of I Object, that team will get 5 points. Yeah, cool. Audience, I'm going to be the judge in this game. We have 2 teams here, and they're going to be debating. They're debating a topic that people don't usually have really strong opinions about. It's a topic like macaroni and cheese. I actually do have a strong opinion about that. In that it's fucking delicious.
Delicious.
Every woman in my family has a dairy allergy, and my mom's like, that's probably why you have so much stomach problems, and I'm like, get it to me!
Don't judge me.
What topic will we use?
How green the grass is.
How green is the
Nice
grass?
comment.
Great. Right. So you're gonna see these teams start with how green is the grass and end up God knows where. This game's gonna go all over the place. All right, team. Who would like to start? Whoever wants. Perfect. Here we go. And Rocky, take it away.
I've been to heaven and back, and the grass is very green. It's even greener on the other side.
I object.
Yeah.
You really got to dry out the grass if you want to get to heaven, man.
Yeah, sure. I'd love to hear a little bit more about what you're talking about, Steve.
Okay, so
I object.
good.
He's clearly high.
I actually want to hear from him when he's stoned.
Fair enough.
Just Steve, you don't have to make direct eye contact with me the whole time.
That's the point, man. It's just that, you know. What'd you say?
I object. We could be here all day.
You're right. Go ahead.
Marijuana is legal. Is this good or bad? I say it's good, except for when you run into people who cannot make a full and
I
complete
object.
sentence.
Yeah, we're not talking about whether marijuana is.
Oh, you don't tell me what we're talking about. Don't show me.
I do agree that after smoking marijuana, things might taste better like soup.
Yeah.
Soup is delicious while you're stoned. You can make it the perfect temperature. You can have chunky soup,
I
creamy
object.
soup.
Yeah, when I'm stoned, soup like totally messes up my shirt.
It does.
The stain
Go ahead,
spray.
Steve. I got a
Yeah,
soup problem.
so the stain spray doesn't actually get it out. So, and plus, you know, sometimes I've got a little shelf, so I can catch the soup anyway myself. when I'm stoned.
Yeah.
There's nothing like lemongrass soup.
Oh, I love it.
Lemongrass soup.
yeah.
Oh my God. I never found grass in there, but it is called lemongrass soup, and that's the whole metaphor. I mean, the grass is greener in the soup. Lemongrass soup, have you tried it? It's got coconut, it's got peanuts, it's got, and you're not allergic to it.
1 minute.
It's got the
I
most
object.
amazing. Yeah.
Soup is lame because it doesn't have any
Thank
solids.
you, Dane. Someone
I like my food to be solid, not brothy.
Yup.
It's just ridiculous.
What is happening?
If I wanted
Why am I eating what I drink?
I would drink water.
That's how I feel.
Yeah.
That's exactly how I feel.
I object.
agrees. Yeah.
Water. I know about water. You cannot drink too much water.
She does know a lot
I
about
do
water.
know. I know
All
about
right,
it.
we have 30 seconds.
I know